Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your get app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do is you just go down here, click on profile down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on notifications here, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You go down here, just keep going down. You come here to travel tips and inspiration. Then you come here to up notifications, just click in this sign. So like you see here, this color show for us, that's mean travel tips and inspiration enable with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking